global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Now, this is not a way of alarming Nigerians. It's more like an awareness going on right now. In Enugu, it has never been like this. In fact, it is unprecedented. 2 days ago, we did hear something from that angle, but until we got verified information, we were unable to, release it as at press time. Well, some few hours ago, PeterObi had to release exactly what he saw in Enugu State that is not only disheartening but alarming. Of course, Enugu State is not just an isolated case. It has been in other cases all around Nigeria, but Enugu State the case in Enugu State is very pathetic and is something that requires urgent attention. And please, this is also a call, a plea to Nigerians living in Nigeria that are practicing or going through a practice that is harming and damaging our organs. Please desist. Money no be water for this kind of thing, because that thing you are doing today in a bid to get some few naira notes or some millions of naira, by the time the multiplier effect of selling it to many of your neighbors or your customers may one day get home. Those who live in glass house don't throw stones. One day you would sell to someone who will sell to someone who will give it to your own sister, and you will now feel the pains. Now, here and watch this video of patients, kidney failure patients, Nigerians, Southeasterners, who one way or the even little children are not left out. Old men, young men, women, pregnant women, none are left out. Anybody can be a victim, but don't take my word for it, because as we speak, PeterObi had gone and come back over 1,000 cases at a blow, all of them suffering the same disease, kidney failure disease. We have less than 500 centers, less than something that has to we need over 5,000 centers. Look, at this rate, the federal government needs to come in. Although a young man is already doing something about it, but he can't do it alone. Let me allow you watch the video, see the highlights in the moment. This is not only painful, Zoroko. Please, can we all be our brother's keeper? This can get home. This is a case study of Enugu State. If you look properly around you, we could be having many people around us who are already going through it, but we do not know. We may be mistaking it for malaria. Some of us can even call it an answer problem. Others may even say it's witchcraft. Another person will say it's water goddess harming us. This could just be ignorance coming to play. Please watch this video.
No, wait. Daddy. Welcome. My president. No, wait. I said, one of them will issue, I paid you. I sold my house, gave my property. Only can go now for 3 years. And the doctor was like, you have a last stage. Then we might have more phone I'll show you who has never listened. Because the time of
Space.
Excuse.
Obiga, let them give a cooler and mic. Mic, audible.
The media should leave so that I can see them. Please excuse. Media, excuse. I can see them. Media, go back.
Please, the media should shift. Please give a space. Please. Because in the media, please give a long space.
Let me start by thanking God. Because Esile Benjelo. Because I'm just coming from Benin. Benjelo burial of Bishop Akubeze. And somebody now called me and talked about the marvelous work our brother is doing to support you people. And I left Benin by 2 and I'm arriving now. Just to, first is to say thank God for him. Thank God for what God is using him to do. I thank you most sincerely, you and your team, for what you're doing. Also thank God that I have opportunity of seeing you people. So even Gagunugo, I didn't believe there were this number of people kind of in this type of problem. I know it's all over the place, but I can only say you'll be remembered in prayers, and whatever it is we can do to support him for whatever he's doing, we will do. If I said to you I'm going to come tomorrow to start seeing you one by one, it's impossible. I'll be telling you the night. But since now somebody God is using to do this great work, the job of myself and people like me to see what we can do to support him so that he can continue to do what he's doing for you. So people see even a failure of us, or failure of anyone the politician. I won't know without drama. What if was the even now, if I will a guy in a Zulu, I hear one metal and I'm the politician. About will let go of the normal